wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, and the beneficent. Peace and blessings be upon the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Distinguished guests, guardian, and our teacher and others, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I would like to share our view of the life of Hazrat Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, the first Khalifa of Islam and one of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam close companion. Born in 570 GC Makkah, Abu Bakr was known for his honest wisdom and secret. He was among to accept Islam and stood by the true Ibrahim Hashim. After the Prophet passing in 632 CE, Abu Bakr became the first Khalifa. His leadership was crucial in maintaining the unity of the Muslim community. He successfully dealt with internal rebels, read the Hizb and initiated the completion of the Quran. Abu Bakr Caliphate lasted only 2 years, but his impact was immense. He passed away in 634 CE, leaving a legacy of integrity, humility, and unwavering devotion to Islam. Thank you for your cooperation and patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.